Congress tonight to choose great.
If you watched the State of the Union through social media earlier this week, did you notice all those comments next to or even on top of the video feed? That never-ending torrent of comments can feel like a digital mob, and that effect is especially pronounced when it's not clear how much active moderation is actually going on. And a clear example of this dark side was one of YouTube's top algorithmically suggested live streams.
We are going to have the State of the Union in its full entirety.
The live stream from Fox 10, the local affiliate from Phoenix, encouraged viewers to comment live in a chat box displayed next to the video, which surged with public messages throughout their coverage. Mother Jones observed this phenomenon on other YouTube live streams from that night. Certain moments really inflamed commenters. Some were predictable.
I will get it built.
Others a little more curious. One moment that stood out was the entrance of the Supreme Court justices, due to the absence of 5 justices, including Ruth Bader Ginsburg, which was widely expected. Over the last month, morbid conspiracy theories about Ginsburg have spread online. False reports that she's secretly in a medically induced coma, or even that she's already dead. Watch for yourself how quickly these comments spread in real time on a globally accessible public forum.